Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, where we simply teach for you. Today we are talking about the environment variables. Okay, so environment variable in Linux. So we will learn in this video. So we will learn what they are, why they are useful, and how to set them. Okay, so let's jump into the session. So all right. So this environment variable are likely some tiny nodes in our system. Mostly we can use it to share the setting across the program, like they store some important information like a path, username, and configuration. Okay, for example, this path tell the Linux where to look for the command we type, and so this is a username, and this is a system username, and this is some configuration. So we can set this all the environment variable in the form of some values. Okay, so why this environment variable is very useful, because developers use this configuration configure software without hard coding the settings. So we can easily customize this environment variable in our shell environment. So this environment is super handy for script and for automation. So now let's jump into the practical session. Now we can I'll show you how to set the environment variable in Linux. So I'm using git bash for achieving the Linux environment. To set the variable for our current session, we have to I'm using this git bash terminal. So that what we'll do, we have to use the export command. Okay, so export command, I'll give them my environment variable name. Okay, this is my var is my variable name. So I'm giving some value like a single code, like so hello Linux. So now so now if you type the echo dollar symbol for printing the what we have entered, this I have entered this environment variable. Now I'm going to print this value. Okay, now you can see. Okay, this is a hello Linux. But remember, this values goes away once we close our terminal. Okay, so what we'll do, so here I have mentioned this, we can store the environment variable in two ways. One is a temporary variable, another is a permanent variable. Okay, now the temporary variable I said, now as a permanent variable. Okay, we want to make it its signal, we have to add it to our shell configuration. For what we have to do for permanent setting, we have to go for nano editor. Okay, we have to go for some bash rc and bash profiles also. Now I'm going to see the bash rc profile. Okay, so this is my, already I have set my entire environment variable here. See, so this is the one I have used the export command and my value, and here Linux set forever. Okay, so I'm removing this again. I'll type it for you so that you will get to know how to. Hello Linux forever. Okay, now control O, this is a nano editor, so control O, enter, control X for existing. Okay, now we have to save it and we have to run this code. Okay, for the run this we have to give the source and we have to give this command. Okay, uh, yeah, our variable is now permanent. So we need it for all the users. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to edit the so environment file. So for that, what we have to do, we have to go for nano, okay, slash etc slash sorry environment. Okay, so here we have what we have to do, we have to give, enter the value my var equal to Linux for everyone. Okay, now the same, so control O, enter, control X. Okay, now we have to save and reboot and we have to apply. So for example, if we want to list all the environment variable, we have to type this command env, then we can see all the list of the environment variable. So we have to remove the environment variable with unset command. See, this is unset command, and now my var. Okay, now I'm successfully unset the environment variable which I set previously. So this is the one. Okay, so this is setting the environment variable Linux is very easy. So once we know all the steps, like we have to use these steps to simplify our workflow and automation task. Okay, yeah, that's it guys, thanks for tuning it. If it is helped, and hit the like button and share it with your friends, and comment below, and what's your favorite Linux tricks. So don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, and see you in the next video. Thank you guys.